Hari Om children, do you know verb? Yes, verb is an action word. In this video, we will learn how do we use the verb in present tense and past tense. Present tense. Present tense is used to describe things that are happening right now or things that are continuous. Example, Rani drinks milk. Look at the picture. What is the person doing? Drink. The action is happening now at the time of speaking. So, here drinks is a present tense. Past tense. Past tense is used to describe things that have already happened. Example, Raja wrote a letter. Look at the picture. What is the boy doing? He wrote a letter. Already he finished his work. So here the action word wrote is a past tense. Eat is present tense. Ate is past tense. Raja eats a biscuit. Amala ate lunch. Cook is present tense. Cooked is past tense. She cooks fried rice. The chef cooked fried rice. Watch is present tense. Watched is past tense. They watch movie. They watched movie. Drink is present tense. Drank is past tense. My mother drinks milk. Rajesh drank milk. Go is present tense. Children go to school. Went is past tense. She went to school. So, went is past tense of go. Clean is present tense. Ravi cleans his room. Cleaned is past tense. Madhu cleaned neatly. So, cleaned is past tense of clean. Buy is present tense. Aruna buys vegetables. Bought is past tense. Raghavi bought vegetables. So, bought is past tense of buy. Draw is present tense. Rahu draws a ship. Drew is past tense. Ram drew a picture. So, drew is past tense of draw. Drop is present tense. Kumar drops the ball into the water. Dropped is past tense. They dropped the balls into the bucket. So, dropped is past tense of drop. Drive is present tense. Kavin drives a car. Drove is past tense. She drove a car. So, drove is past tense of drive. Grow is present tense. The tree grows high. Grew is past tense. The tree grew high. So, grew is past tense of grow. Write is present tense. Dharani writes a letter. Wrote is past tense. Kritik wrote a letter. So, wrote is past tense of write. Dance is present tense. Ranjit dances well. Danced is past tense. Rita danced well. So, danced is past tense of dance. Swim is present tense. Rani swims well. Swam is past tense. Abhi swam well. So, swam is past tense of swim. Play is present tense. They play football. Played is past tense. Varun played football. So, played is past tense of play. Run is present tense. Prasad runs fast. Ran is past tense. Prabhu ran fast. So, ran is past tense of run. Read is present tense. He reads the book. Read is past tense. She read the book. So, read is past tense of read. Spell the word read same in present tense and past tense but pronounced differently. Jump is present tense. Horse jumps fast. Jumped is past tense. They jumped high. So, jumped is past tense of jump. Pray is present tense. Sabita prays to God. Prayed is past tense. They prayed to God. So, prayed is past tense of pray. Sing is present tense. Harshini sings a song. Sang is past tense. Yashmika sang a song. So, sang is past tense of sing. Open is present tense. My father opens the door. Opened is past tense. Akash opened the door. So, opened is past tense of open. Speak is present tense. My uncle speaks well. Spoke is past tense. They spoke. So, spoke is past tense of speak. Skip is present tense. Deepika skips well. Skipped is past tense. Sanjana skipped. So, skipped is past tense of skip. Sit is present tense. Ram sits here. Sat is past tense. He sat there. So, sat is past tense of sit. Win is present tense. Darunika wins the match. Won is past tense. Yashwin won the match. So, won is past tense of win. Thank you.